So today we'll discuss the reactivity of aldehyde and ketones towards nucleophilic addition reactions. Now the reactivity towards nucleophilic addition reactions depends upon few factors, and one of the factor is inductive effect. Also known as I effect. If we have aldehyde and ketone, aldehyde is like this and ketone is like this. We know the chances of the attack of nucleophile on carbonyl carbon depends upon the partial positive charge present on carbonyl carbon, and this magnitude of partial positive charge on this carbonyl carbon will decide the reactivity order. Greater the partial positive charge on carbonyl carbon, greater will be the chances of attack of nucleophile. Now if we look at aldehyde, you can see there is only one electron releasing alkyl group. It will release the electrons to the carbonyl carbon due to plus I effect. As a result, the magnitude of partial positive charge on this carbon will decrease, and accordingly the chances of the attack of nucleophile will also decrease. But in case of, you can see in case of ketone, there are two electron releasing alkyl group. So obviously the effect of two electron releasing alkyl group will be more than one alkyl group present on aldehyde. Therefore the magnitude of this partial positive charge on carbonyl carbon decreases in ketone, and accordingly the reactivity of aldehyde towards nucleophilic addition reactions will be greater than ketone. This is one reason, inductive effect. Another reason is steric effect. Steric effect, also known as crowding effect. Here we'll look for the crowding around the carbonyl carbon. Again, if we have aldehyde and ketone, you can see there is greater crowding on carbonyl carbon in ketone due to the presence of two Volcker alkyl group, whereas in case of aldehyde there is only one Volcker alkyl group. So since at this carbon we have greater crowding, the chances of the attack of nucleophile in carbonyl carbon decreases, whereas in case of aldehyde the crowding is less and the nucleophile can easily approach the carbonyl carbon. Again we come to the conclusion that due to steric effect aldehyde is more reactive than ketone. So in nutshell, if we compare the reactivity of aldehyde and ketones towards nucleophilic addition reaction, the result is aldehyde is more reactive than ketone. Thank you.